This would bend the Chubby Bunny challenge, but we don't have marshmallows. So we're going to be trying it with cookies. So let's start. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Oh my god.
Oh,
How many was that?
I have no idea.
Count them while they're in the cup.
7, I think.
7.